The SOWO surgeboom 2 portable speaker is a feature-packed wireless Bluetooth speaker designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Here are the key features of this speaker. Brilliant sound with RGB colorful light. The surgeboom 2 speaker utilizes advanced DSP technology and is equipped with 25 stereo audio drivers and 2 wide bass passive radiators. This combination delivers a stereo sound effect with high volume output. The speaker also features LED lights with dual 256 level brightness display, adding a colorful and vibrant visual element to your listening experience. Bassboom bass and wireless stereo surround sound. The SOWO portable Bluetooth speaker incorporates Bassboom technology, which enhances the bass by 28%. Compared to the original design, providing a more immersive audio experience. Additionally, the speaker supports true wireless stereo TWS function, allowing you to pair 2 speakers together for a stereo surround sound setup, similar to a movie theater. 16-hour powerful battery. With a high-capacity super electric vehicle battery, the surgeboom 2 offers a maximum of 16 hours of playtime on a single charge. The battery is designed to be recharged over 1,000 times without a significant reduction in capacity. This longevity ensures you can enjoy music day and night without worrying about running out of power. IPX7 waterproof and dustproof. The speaker is built to withstand water and dust, thanks to its durable fabric and injection molded cylinder design. It has an IPX7 rating, which means it is fully waterproof and can be submerged in water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes without damage. It is also dustproof, making it suitable for outdoor activities such as camping. The portable and lightweight design, along with the included lanyard, allows you to easily carry or hang the speaker wherever you go. Strong Bluetooth 5.0 signal. The surgeboom 2 utilizes Bluetooth 5.0 technology, providing a strong and stable connection with a range of up to 100 feet. Even in challenging conditions, the signal remains undisturbed. It can easily connect to various devices such as smartphones, PCs, and laptops. Additionally, it supports a 3.5mm audio jack for wired connections. In summary, the SOWO surgeboom 2 portable speaker offers powerful and immersive sound, enhanced bass, TWS capability, long battery life, waterproof and dustproof construction, and a strong Bluetooth 5.0 connection. It is designed to provide you with a high-quality audio experience both indoors and outdoors.